Is me about question number 1. The simplest expression measure is the range. The range is the simplest expression measure. Choose letter what? Letter C. Okay, we know the range equal maximum subtract by minimum. Then it's the simplest expression. Question number 2. 20% from 100 pounds equal space. We know 20%, it's meaning 20 over 100. From 100, it's meaning product by 100 equal what? Equal 20 pounds. Then the result here it will be 20 pounds. Choose letter D. Question number 3. We have closed interval here. 3 and 7 subtract by 3 and 7. We can cancel 3 and 7 here. Then we will have the opened interval. The result will be letter C. Next example, number 4. The solution set of the equation x power 2 minus 9 equals 0 here in R. It will be a positive or negative. X power 2 minus 9 equals 0. Then x power 2 it will be 9. Then the value of x will be positive or negative. Square root of 9 it will be positive or negative 3. Okay. Next question, number 5. Number 5. If n of x was equal 5, element in set x equal 5, and number of Cartesian product about x and y was 10, then the number elements of set of y it will be what? 2 times 5 equal 10. Then we have 2 elements in y. Number 6. The relation represents the direct relation between two values here, y and x. It will be what? Choose letter D. X over 5 equal y over 2. Okay, we have here about this relation between direct relation x and y. If x increased, y will be increased. If x will be decreased, then y will be decreased. They are like, okay. Question number 2, letter A. X over y equal 3 over 4. We can put here m constant, m not equal 0, then x equal 3m and y equal 4m. We want to find the result of 3x plus y over x plus 5y. 3 times x it will be 3 times 3 plus y was 4m over x, 3m plus 5y. 5 product is the value of y was 4m. 3 times 3 equal 9, and write 4m, 3m plus 20m. 9 plus 4 equal 13m. 3 plus 10 equal 23m. Cancel m by m. The result will be 13 over 23. Okay, the value in the simplest form between two expression, numerator and denominator. The result will be 13 over 23. 13 over 23. Next question. Letter B. If B equal set of 1, 2, 3, and y equal 1 and half and third and fifth, relation between x and y refers to irrational bit, meaning the multiplicative inverse of b for all a belonging to x. Okay, we can write the relation. Multiplicative inverse about 1 it will be itself 1, and 2 multiplicative inverse here it will be half, Negative inverse meaning product between two numbers. Here it will be 1. 2 times half equal 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. Okay. And third here 3. Y 3 by 3 equal be 1. Then 3 and third. And then we can draw our diagram between two sets. Here x and y. X was 1, 2, 3, and y 1, half, third, fifth. 1 with 1, 2 with half, 3 with third. We have relation between x and y. We call this the function. Then r is the function. Why? Because every element in x has only one image in y. Because every element in x has only one image in y. Okay. Number 3, question letter A. We have x 4, 5, 7. We have function between x and itself is a function on x, and the relation was e and 5. We have x equal 4, 5 and 7, and we have relation here a was 5, b was 5, 4 was 7. You want to find the value a plus b. We know a will be what? We have 4, then a will be 5, which b will be 7, or the difference, we can change the place. A will be 7 when b equal 5. Okay, we can replace the results here. He wants to find the value a plus b. 5 plus 7, it will 12 in two cases here. Okay, and then we can write the range, the image here 5 and 7. Because 5 was repeated, don't write 5 again. 5, write it 1 times here. Don't repeat 5. Okay, in the sets 5 and 7 only. Don't repeating 5 here. Next question, letter B. We have f of x equal to subtract x power 2 when x belonging to the interval -3 and 3. You want to find the coordinate of the vertices of this curve. Okay, you want to find represent this function in graphically. We can draw here x and f of x, but -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Put here in this function -3, 2 minus -3 power 2, it will be 9, 2 minus 9, it will be -7, and then put -2 here power 4, power 2 equal 4, 2 minus 4, it will be -2, -1 power 2 1, 2 minus 1, it will be 1, put 0, it will be 2, put 1, 2 minus 1 equal 1, 2 minus 4, it will be -2, put 3, 2 minus 9, it will be -7. Then the vertex here, it will be 0 and 2. Okay, then the point of the vertex 0 and 2. Line symmetry here, it will be x equals 0, equation of line symmetry. And it will be maximum because the coefficient of x power 2 are negative. Maximum, the value maximum at 2. The value of maximum equal 2. And then we can draw here, we have -7 and -2 and 1. You can draw x-axis and y-axis here. 0 was 2 here, and negative 3 was 7, 1, negative 2, negative 3 was 7, negative 2 was 2, negative 1 was 1, 0 was 2, 1 was 1, 2 was negative 2, sorry, 0 was negative 2 here, it was negative 2, okay, and negative 1 and 1, and then you can draw this curve here. 0 was 2, negative 2, 1 and 1, and 1 and what? We have here 1 and 1, and 2 is negative 2, 1 was 1. We have again negative 3 was 7, negative 2 here. Okay, you must clear these points again. Negative 7, negative 2, 1, negative 2, 1, negative 2, 7. Okay, we have the vertex here. It's negative 7, negative 2, 1, 1, negative 2, negative 7. And then draw here. 0 was what? 0 was 2, it was 2, okay. 0 was 2 here. And negative 1 was 1. Negative 2 was negative 2. Negative 3 was negative 7. And 0 and 2. Okay, 1 and 1. 2 and negative 2. 3 and negative 7. It's a curve. You can draw it by yourself in your notebook. Next question. Number 4, letter A. If B is the middle proportional between A and C, you can write B in the middle, and then write the constant M, and M not equal 0. And then you can write A equal Cm power 2, constant here C, and B equal Cm. And then you can write A power 2 plus B power 2 over B power 2 plus C power 2. E was Cm power 2, C power 2, M power 4, distributed the power to these variables here, and B power 2, B was Cm, C power 2, M power 2 over B power 2, Cm will be C power 2, M power 2 over C power 2. You can write the height common factor between two terms here. C power 2 is repeating, and write the smallest variable, M power 2, divided this term by here, it will be M power 2, and this term by itself it will be 1. Let's C power 2 outside, the result will be M power 2 plus 1, and then you can cancel the like terms with us, and this exhibition with exhibition, the result will be M power 2. And we have here E over E equals Cm power 2 over C, cancel C by C, then the result will be M power 2. There are equality here. Next question, letter B. From the data answer the following, choose the kind of version between y and x. We have here in this example the value of x246, x increased, and y632 decreased. Then we will call it variance inversely between x and y. X with y varies inversely. Okay, and then you can write x equal m over y and m not equal 0 to find the constant here. He give us in the table x equal 2 and y was 6. 2 times 6 equal 12. Put x equal 2 and y was equal 6 to find the constant. In the constant here it will be 12. And then put here in this relation, then x will be 12 over y. It's a relation between x and y. Find the constant. We find the constant here and find the value of y when x equal 2 and 2 over 5. We can write 5 in numerator. 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 2 equal 12. Then we can put x equal here. Put x equal 12 over 5 equal 12 over y. then y here will be equal 5. It's the value of y. Next example, we have relation here. This point E and 3, the point E and 3 located on a straight line which represents the function f of x. This point was pointing to f of x such that f of x was equal 4x minus 5. You want to find the value of a. Put x equal a and y equal 3. F of x is meaning y, then 3 will be equal 4 times the value of x. 4 is subtract by 5. We can move negative 5 to left hand side. 3 plus 5 equal 4a, then 8 equal 4a, then the value of 8 will be 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then a here equal 2. Okay, the value of a here equal to. Question letter B, you can solve it to find the standard division. Okay,